can't see the number. Where were the other 2 cameras yesterday? Like in that ring?
This one here, and then one over there.
So nothing like in the field, all up high?
Yeah. Well, no, that one's not really high. That one's actually
where?
pretty much level. Over
okay.
That stand.
Which, did you just stay here?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, cool. Yeah, that'd be fun. I'll just text Oliver and probably tell him.
Yeah.
Did he ask, or?
Well, sort of.
Did you say I was still doing the other one. We didn't end till 6:30.
Yeah, I figured. We didn't get done till...
What time did it start?
6:45.
Okay. Alright.
Started a little bit late. Master is watching us as well.
Right now?
He just texted me. He's like, keep up the good work. It looks good over the phone.
Oh, right now?
Well, a little while ago.
Oh.